What's the name of that bird?
Cole or I forgot.
That's his name? Oh no! He's attacking that bird. Oh my! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Alexa, what's the name of the bird from Demon Hunter?
From Audubon.org. In addition to demons, demon hunters, demon hunting, and a whole lot of
Alexa, what's the name of the bird in K-pop Demon Hunter?
Oh no!
I hate that he has a He's hurting Kirby. Kirby's an old man now. He's an old man. He's an old man. Big.
System.edu. In K-pop Demon Hunters, one of the main characters, Rumi, is repeatedly visited by a supernatural blue tiger, Derpy, and a six-eyed magpie, Sussy.
Sussy.
That's sussy.
Yeah. Yeah.